Abuti, say hello to the children.
Dumelang bana.
Today, we're learning about verbs. Are you ready, kids? How do we say to walk in Setswana? That's right, it's go tsamaya.
Tamaya.
And what is the verb for to run in Setswana? Very good, it's go taboga.
Taboga.
Now, how do we say to sleep in Setswana? That's right, go robala.
Robala.
And to sit in Setswana? Very good, it's go nna.
Dula.
Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain. Did you notice that to sit can be go nna or go dula? And when you want to say I sit, you can just add ke-a in front of the verb.
Dula.
So, to walk is go tsamaya. To run is go taboga. To sit is go nna or go dula. And to sleep is go robala. And now you can use these words to build sentences. Goodbye, Abuti. Oh, he is sleeping. We'll see you next time, kids. Goodbye.